Ever wondered how ordinary denim jeans get that iconic vintage stone-washed look? The transformation begins after the jeans are completely sewn and ready for garment washing. First, the garments are sorted carefully to maintain consistent washing results across every production batch. Before washing, operators inspect seams, pockets, zippers, buttons, and stitching for possible defects. Next, the jeans are loaded into a large industrial washing machine. The key ingredient is pumice stone, which creates the characteristic worn and faded denim appearance.
These porous stones are rough enough to physically rub against the denim during mechanical washing. Inside the rotating drum, jeans and stones continuously tumble, creating controlled abrasion on the fabric surface. As the stones rub the fabric, surface indigo gradually breaks away, and the denim begins to develop lighter areas.
Water helps move the garments, while mechanical action distributes the abrasion throughout the load.
Operators carefully control washing time, temperature, water level, and mechanical action to achieve the target shade. Every adjustment matters because excessive abrasion can damage the fabric or create unwanted unevenness. The continuous tumbling creates natural-looking variations that give stone-washed jeans their distinctive character. Once the washing cycle is complete, the machine drains the dirty water and the jeans are removed. The wet garments then move to extraction, where excess water is removed using high-speed centrifugal force. Thousands of rotations squeeze out excess moisture without changing the newly created washed appearance. After extraction, the damp jeans are transferred to an industrial dryer for controlled drying. Inside the dryer, controlled heat and tumbling remove remaining moisture and help stabilize the final appearance.
Now the denim reveals its familiar soft blue shade, faded texture, and authentic worn appearance.
Quality inspectors compare the finished garments against approved color and appearance standards. They also check seams, pockets, waistbands, zippers, and other areas for excessive abrasion or damage.
If the shade is inconsistent, the production team investigates the washing process before continuing production.
Approved jeans are then prepared for finishing, pressing, folding, and final quality control.
Finishing gives the jeans a clean presentation while preserving their naturally aged, stone-washed appearance.
After finishing, each pair is folded and prepared according to the buyer's packaging requirements. The garments are packed carefully and organized by size, color, style, and production order. From a dark, raw fabric to a vintage fashion product, every pair has completed a carefully controlled process.
That familiar faded denim look is actually the result of fabric, stones, water, machinery, time, and precision.
And that is how stonewashing transforms ordinary denim jeans into the vintage style we know and love.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.